Morning, you guys. It's Vlogmas day number 12. It's 6:30 in the morning. I'm a little late to getting the kids up for school, so I'm going to get the kids up for school, pack their lunch, clean up while they're getting ready, and start my day. Nico, why did you sleep on the ground?
Oh no.
You don't know?
Mom.
Huh?
What time is it?
It's 6:30. You guys got to get up and you need to go take a shower. So who's going to take the shower first? You need a hug? Mm-mm. Why don't you take a shower first?
Why is it always me?
So what we like to do for breakfast is get these Hawaiian buns. We cut the top off of them and then we put lunch meat and cheese on them, and then the boys will take them to school and they love them for like a sandwich for lunch. We found this idea on TikTok and it's amazing. The boys love them. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Camera battery's gonna die. Waiting for the bus.
Raven's one.
Say hi, kids.
Hola, soy Dora. I don't want to be here.
Okay, so I dropped the kids off at the bus. my camera battery died. I got home, I took a little nap because I was just feeling a little weak. And then my son messaged me saying that he forgot his shop goggles at home. So I am currently getting ready to, hold on a second. Oh, he just texted me, he has it right now. Don't know if I'll get to the school in time, but I have to run and bring him his shop glasses and his lunch. So I'm gonna go do that and I will talk to you guys in the car. Forgot my water. Shoot. It'll be fine. We live pretty close to the school. I mean, we live about, what, like 15 minutes away? So, yeah. And then also, my cousin messaged me on Facebook. She is getting surgery done Wednesday morning, and we are supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm that's coming in tomorrow. So she asked if I would be able to take her because her sister was gonna take her, but her sister is kind of scared of the snow that's coming. You guys, I'm looking rough right now. I'm gonna walk into the school and they're gonna be like, what the heck? Pretty sure that's gonna be me, Antonio. Oh no, it's not him. Oh, I'm gonna call my son real fast because I want to make sure that it makes sense for me to bring him his glasses, and then we'll talk. Okay, so my cousin is going in for surgery on Wednesday at 6:30 in the morning, and we're gonna have a huge snowstorm. So her sister was gonna take her, but her sister is scared because of the snowstorm. Here in Minnesota, we get snowstorms a few times throughout the year. Yeah, so I'm going to talk to Chris and see if maybe we could bring her to her appointment and then we could bring her home. We could either leave in the, like at 3:30 in the morning on Wednesday at 3:30 in the morning, and then her appointment gets over at 9:30, so then we would be bringing her home, which I'm okay with that. I just need to see if it's okay with Chris with his schedule. I don't want to make the trip by myself just because there is going to be a lot of snow. Okay, I'm home from bringing Antonio his stuff, and now we have to clean. You guys may ask yourself, why, Billy? Why do you clean so much? Well, let me show you. This is what my house is looking like right now. I had this all clean. That is me. I will take that. But this is how my house is looking. Mainly because of kids and dogs. My dogs will destroy the couches. They'll destroy take all of their toys out. And yeah, do you see him? He's part of the reason. That dog right there. I'm going to get cleaning. I need to get this house cleaned. It is 1:30 right now. I have the 2 kids are having their concerts tonight, so we have to be ready to leave here by like 5:45 so I can get them there, and then we'll go to their concerts. But I want this vlog to be up and done by the time we're at the concert, so when you guys are watching this, we'll be at the concert. And what else? Yeah, tomorrow my husband and I are going to be bringing my 2 cousins to St. Cloud because the one has an appointment and we're getting a huge snowstorm, so they don't want to drive in the snowstorm. So we're gonna take them after Chris gets home from work. So that vlog is going to have to be done before we leave. And I think we're leaving around 1 to 3. So yeah, let's get going. 'cause I have to clean my dirty house. And my dirty beauty room. So last night I had stuff that I was going to do, but instead I filmed 2 videos because I wanted to get them hauls done so I could put that makeup away. And now my beauty room is looking bad. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's horrible, but it's looking really bad. And I gotta get that cleaned up too. So let's get going.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year. I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears. A toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic. It's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
So Chris just got back with the mail and I got a letter from one of you guys. Let's open. It's a Christmas card. Happy holidays. Oh, that is so cool.
What is it?
Look at it. And then I got a facial mask. I'll have to use this before my daughter steals it from me.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
You're YouTube famous.
That is so cool. Thank you so much. That is so
What did you get?
thoughtful.
What is this?
Baby,
Is this the YouTube people? Yes. Hey, thank you. I know it wasn't that had nothing to do with me, but it makes her day when you do stuff like that. So thanks. Keep sending the stuff. Makes her happy. Right?
Wait, why that face?
Why?
And you're pulling on my extensions, they're gonna fall off.
Oh. Did they know that your hair was fake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, you can't tell by the rat's nest.
Rat's nest.
Okay, so we are getting ready to go to the kids concert. I am going to edit and upload this video tomorrow morning right away. I just wasn't able to do it today. So tomorrow morning I will edit and upload this video and get this up real early for you guys, and then tomorrow's vlog will go up tomorrow around 6 or 7. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.